Hey guys, look, I have a Nikon P1000 camera, and the it zooms out to like 3,000 millimeters. So here it is to zoom. I want you to look about 1 o'clock out, just out from the moon, right there. You see it? There's something hovering the moon. Now I don't I don't know what it could be. It's definitely hovering the moon because it's moving with the moon. When you're zoomed out that far, and you're on a tripod, when you let go of the camera and you let it sit there, the rotation of the Earth, you can actually see the moon move across the screen like that. Well, that can't be a planet. Everybody kept saying, "Oh, it's a planet." It can't be a planet because it's moving with the moon. It's orbiting the moon. I mean, it's staying right with the moon. So what do we have that's would be hovering over the moon? Now, it looks like the USS Enterprise. Y'all tell me what you think. Here's some still shots of it. I blew up, and I haven't doctored these. All I did was blow them up. You tell me. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. And I've got like 2 hours of footage of this. Nothing really changed. It was all the same, but that's just not normal. I don't know, y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think. And y'all stay tuned. Check out my other videos.